How to stop dropping items and keep them when you die in Fortnite Creative. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go in your island settings. Once you're in your island settings, then it should take you over here. Then once you're over here, go to island settings. Now from island settings, you have to go to mode. Then once you're in mode, you have to scroll down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be under spawning eliminations. Just click on that. Now you're going to bring this down, scroll down a little bit. Under elimination, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be the fourth option right here. Instead of drop, you have to click on keep for eliminated players items. So you're going to click on keep. Then once you click on keep, click on exit. Then once you're back over here, now if you die from somebody or one of your friends kills you or you just die, your items is going to stay with you. So when you respawn, your item is with you the whole time. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.